In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website on Hostinger in just a few minutes. If you've got a great idea and you're eager to bring it online, you're definitely in the right place. Hostinger makes the entire process smooth, beginner-friendly, and incredibly efficient, so let's get started right away. First, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. It's a clean, easy-to-navigate platform that works perfectly whether you're hosting your first site or you manage several. Once the homepage loads, your next step is to log into your account. Look at the upper right corner for the login button and give it a click. If you don't already have an account, you can create one instantly through their simple registration process. It only takes a moment, and once you're in, everything becomes much easier. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is the central control center for your hosting services. Here you can manage your website files, domains, email, performance settings, and more. Take a brief moment to explore the layout if it's your first time. Understanding where everything is will help you navigate more confidently moving forward. Once you're ready, look through the menu and locate the Marketplace option. Click on it to open a section where Hostinger displays additional services, apps, and hosting solutions. This area is extremely helpful if you want to compare different hosting plans or explore extra tools that might benefit your website. Next, select the web hosting category. This will show you a full list of hosting packages tailored to different needs. To learn more about each package, click on Explore. You'll be presented with detailed descriptions, including included features, performance capabilities, price ranges, and recommendations for different types of websites. Whether you're planning a small personal project or building a large business website, Hostinger provides clear guidance on which plan suits which purpose. Now comes the important part, choosing the hosting plan that fits your goals. Hostinger typically offers shared hosting, premium hosting, business hosting, and cloud hosting options. Think about what your website will require, expected traffic, storage needs, and whether you plan to scale in the future. Picking the right plan ensures that your website runs smoothly, loads quickly, and remains stable as it grows. This decision sets the foundation for the entire online experience, so take a moment to choose wisely. Once you've selected your ideal hosting package, proceed to purchase it. Hostinger's checkout process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. After completing the purchase, your hosting service will be activated and you'll be ready to connect your website, install a CMS like WordPress, or start designing your site directly inside Hostinger's tools. And that's it, a complete and seamless process to set up your hosting on Hostinger. With your hosting plan ready, you're now one step closer to building and launching your website. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to creating an amazing online presence. Stay tuned for more easy, practical guides to help you get the most out of your hosting experience.